As you can see here, the platform is an integrated, centralized system of a number of different tools you need to manage, market, and run your business. Everything from your website builder to content marketing systems, a social media platform to manage all your social profiles, email marketing and automation systems, directory listings so that you can make sure your business is listed on all the major directories online, as well as get that SEO boost you're looking for. Review management to manage all your different reviews, respond to them, and make sure that you're gaining new reviews. A CRM to help make sure you're managing everything from your sales to your inventory to your supply chain and everything in between. And appointments for those that want people to be able to book appointments right with them online. All of these tools are integrated directly into the platform, so you don't have to log into a dozen different platforms. You simply log into the single platform here, and all the tools you have activated for your account are live right here, single sign-on, easy to manage. The beauty of a system like this is also that you can manage multiple locations or multiple businesses. Say you're a franchise business, multi-location business, or you're a marketing agency or media company that manages a number of different clients. Just quickly jump into whichever account that you want, and then the tools that you have activated for that specific account are active and ready to go. The dashboard here is also an integration with Google Analytics, so you can see what your analytics look like and be able to measure things and see exactly where you're getting visitors and how people are attending your site. In the notification system, you can get notifications for all the different things that are happening within your platform. Let's say you have some new social media to engage with. You're getting a notification that you need to go check that out. Or maybe you have new reviews, same thing. Makes it very easy to manage all of your different systems within the platform seamlessly. In the system here, you can manage your profile. You can set up different users and different user access levels right through the user management system. You can manage your different businesses and locations here, your billing, financial reporting, and of course, access the support team that runs 24/7 to make sure you get the support that you need. As you can see, again, the beauty of a system like this is it makes it just much easier and much more seamless to manage the tools that you need to market your business, all within one invoice, one support channel, and all in a single platform you only have to log into once. To access the website builder, simply log into your platform and find the website tool on the left-hand side. Click the little arrow to expand the options here and click on Site Builder to open your website. The website builder is the only tool within the platform that actually opens up in a new tab. We do this to give you the full screen to be able to edit and manage and mark up your website. There's a few options within the website as well. You can manage your site builder, analytics, and you can set up your online store within the site builder as well. The site builder is meant to be very easy and simple to use, but also very powerful and SEO focused. As you can see here, it comes with a number of templates that you can choose from to get started. You choose your template here and get to work. Once you've decided on your template, you can come into your widgets and start to drag and drop different elements that you want within your website right here. There's all sorts of different widgets that you can use, including text, picture, galleries. You can create your store, you can create panels. You've got your maps, you've got YouTube, HTML, forms, and a whole host of other different widgets to help you build the site the way you want it. The site also has unlimited pages that you can create. So you can create your homepage, contact us page, and whatever other pages about us, for example, you would need to manage and market your business. To create pages, just come into the page builder, click the plus button, and then start to build out your page. You can also create pages that are hidden away and not in your display. This is great if you have marketing pages that you want to create to be able to drive advertising to that very focused on a specific service that you offer. You can also, in the navigation, take pages and put them under other pages so you can have a drop-down. On your site, you can also access the metadata for every single one of your pages to make sure you have all the information that you want. So that way, when search engines scrape your website, they know exactly what you and your business are about. There are also a lot of other options you can access within the site builder, including accessing CSS to do custom builds, as well as the HTML within the backend. You can also access the header and footer code so you can implement JavaScript wherever you might need on your website. You can upload files, images, and videos that you want displayed on your website, as well as see your site in mobile view, as well as desktop to make sure it looks right on all different formats. You can also set up the Mobile Plus option, which will allow people to be able to tap to call, find map and directions, and then find business hours right through the mobile website. That's the website builder in a nutshell. Like I said, very easy to use, build, and work within, but also very structured to be able to give you all of the important information that you want to your clients, as well as drive SEO value so that you're ranking online and in the search engines that you want people to find you at. To access the social media manager, log into your platform and click on the social tab. If this tool is activated, you'll start to see a place where you can start to manage all of your different social profiles in one single platform. To get started, you're going to come over to your services, start adding your services. As you can see here, there's everything from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, Facebook ads, and a number of other different platforms and applications you can manage right through the system. Once you've connected your services, come into the Engage system and you'll be able to see all of your different page streams like your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business, all the streams you'd want to keep track on. Or come over into your inbox where you can manage all of your direct messages and engagements from all your social channels in one email standard view. You can also see what you've sent, what you have scheduled, anything you may have queued up or drafted, your calendar, which will show you all your upcoming posts, and anything that might have bounced and why that would have happened. A couple other neat features, in the monitor system, you can manage and monitor different keywords or search terms for your business or your competitors. You can also manage your content. Let's say you need new suggestions for things to post on your social media profiles. Click on Suggestions, and then you can explore new topics or saved topics. Let's say I'm a brewery, and craft beer is one of the topics I want to look at. I come in here, I can find articles and influencers based on that topic, and then if I find an article interesting, I can actually share this right with my social profile just by the click of a button. Speaking of composing, we can actually compose right through here to all of our different social profiles as well. I can come in, select the different social profiles that I want to post to, create my content, hello world, and then I can even change the content between the different social platforms that I have. If I want to say something a little bit longer on Facebook, maybe I want to add an image on Instagram, maybe I want to add some hashtags to Twitter, I can differentiate my social postings per profile. I can also come in and add any images or videos that I want to my profiles. I can do that from uploading to the file system, from URLs, YouTube, or I can save things in my own media library to use over and over. Let's say I want to use this as an image for my social media post. I come in, I attach it, and there it is. One of the other great things about this platform is after you've added an image, it actually allows you the ability to come and edit that image right through the platform with a native editor on system. I can come in here and I can choose how I want my post to look, and I can actually select different default sizes for each one of my different posts. I can also transform it, I can add filters, I can add text, and I can add stickers right through the system here. Once I'm happy with my post, I save that. And then I come down here and I can either send now, I can set up approval processes if I need, or I can schedule my post to go out at a later date and time right through here. I can also post in bulk as well. If I want to come in here and click here, I can create a whole bunch of different posts that will go out on whatever day and time that I want. A great way for marketing agencies to be able to come and manage a bunch of posts for the week all at once. Of course, after you start to utilize a system like this, you want to be able to measure it as well. Right in here, you come to your Reports hub, and you'll be able to dive into the analytics of each one of your different social profiles, or use the engagement report to see all of your profiles together in one report. You can also build your own custom reports. Say you want to build something that just has Facebook and Instagram. I can build a custom report to that and then be able to report on just those two social profiles. Say you need to report to a boss or to a client through the system. You can also set up automated reports to go out on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to really show your client or your boss what it is you guys are doing and how it's engaging for their social strategy. That's a social platform in a nutshell. Very powerful, one of the most popular tools on the platform, and easy to use to make sure that you're maintaining all of your social profiles in an engaging and functional way. This tool is very important for local businesses that count on reviews to be able to drive new leads to their business, as well as to manage all the reviews that are coming in for each one of their locations or organizations. The great thing about this tool is it aggregates over 60 different review sites, bringing them all into a centralized platform so you can manage them all in one place. It obviously has all the big ones that you would need, such as your Google, your Facebook, your Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc., but also gets very niche as well. To access this tool, simply log into your platform, click on the Review Management tool to get started. As you can see from the front page here, you'll be able to see how many total reviews you have, what your average rating is, and just some more information about how you're doing when it comes to reviews for your business. As reviews come into your queue, you can actually see them all and respond to them right through the platform. Say I want to respond to this Yelp review. I simply click the Respond button, and I can quickly and easily respond to those reviews right through the system. I can also save templates, so if I want to send something similar for each time that I get a 5-star review, I can quickly and easily do that. Submit your review, and it will go live on your review sites immediately. The tool also has functionality to generate new reviews. Click the Generate feature here, and you can see that you can send requests for new reviews right through the platform. You can do it one-off here by filling out this form. You can also bulk upload requests by just clicking this button and walking through the steps. Review requests can be sent by text here, and you can see how the text will look and edit your text information right there. It also has an email format with a couple different options. If you click this customer satisfaction option, you get an email that looks like this with 2 buttons, one saying lived up to them, one saying fell short of expectations. If your customers click lived up to them, they'll be taken to a place where they can write a review for you. If they were to click fell short of your expectations, it will take them to another page where they can write a message to the manager instead of leaving a review. By deselecting customer satisfaction, you can also send out emails that look like this. You can also choose which profiles you want more reviews on. Let's say I want more reviews on Google, so I will move that to the top. I don't need more Yelp reviews, so I'm going to remove that, but I do want some TripAdvisor reviews. I click that, save my page settings, and as you can see, my email has now been formatted. The system also comes with a landing page that you can use to drive people to as well. Many people will grab this link and use it as a button and say their email marketing newsletters. That way they can drive new reviews right through their email newsletter. As you can see here, I can come in and I can change the background. I can edit my landing page to say and look however I want. And again, I can change those review sites that I want my clients to focus on. There's also a host of analytics within the system that you can check in, activity report to see how your reviews are doing, review response feeds to see how well you're responding to your reviews. You can look at the requested reviews that you've sent and see how people are engaging with those, plus a whole bunch of other reports that you can automate and send to you or your team whenever necessary. There's a few other resources that come with this, such as the website widgets. Website widgets are great to be able to put on your website to really showcase your reviews. As you can see here, I can select what kind of reviews I'd like, 5-star only if I'd like, what review sites I want to use, and how many reviews per page I want to look at. I can also turn on my rating display, request links, these buttons right here, and the review feed. There's a couple different other options you have as well, some buttons that you can put on, some links to drive more reviews right from your website. That's the review management platform. It's a very important tool for a lot of businesses that rely on reviews to help not only drive new traffic, but also increase their SEO value and create trust for your business. To access the email marketing tool, simply log into the platform and click on Email Marketing. You'll get a drop-down like this where you can set up your campaigns and contacts, work through automation, and set up your domain and sender addresses. As you can see, we're here in the Contacts and Campaign Center. And here we have campaigns where you can create, manage, and send your email marketing campaigns. We also have a transactional system if you want to send emails that are drafted up after somebody purchases something or signs up for a service of yours. We've got automation features, such as being able to send somebody an email on their birthday, send a chain of emails on specific dates, or send an email when somebody updates their contact information. You can see your contacts here where you can upload all of your contacts, manage your contacts, and create as many fields for your contacts as you'd like. This allows you to be able to set up segmentation where you can actually segment your lists so you can send different versions of an email to people in New York versus people in California, for example. You can also create subscription widgets right here as well that you can put on your website to help gain new followers. Within the campaign system, it's very easy to set up your campaigns and run them. You walk through the campaign builder, which is just a simple step-by-step process. Start by adding your subject line, your from, and create your contact list and decide who you want to send this list to. And then you start designing your email. As you can see here, the email system is very easy to use. You select your different kind of formats. There's also a whole bunch of newsletters and drafts that you can utilize that are already built out for you. We'll go and start with one that is just a one column. And in here, you can see how easy it is to create your email. You can create different columns. You can add text, buttons, images, videos. You can create HTML blocks, add dividers, or social media profiles, all those types of things to your email. And then you come in here and you just edit quickly and easily right in the WYSIWYG editor here. Once you're finished, you can actually create different versions of your email if you'd like as well. So you can do A/B testing to see which one will get the best results. Once finished, you can send your email off, or you can review and save it for a later time or create a template out of it so that you can use it later on. That's the email marketing system. It can be used to create beautiful newsletters, email templates, and bulk emails that you want to send out to clients or prospects. If your business provides any types of services that people would want to book appointments for, this is the application for you. To access it, log into your platform and click on appointments right here. Once the application is live, you have a couple different options of what you can look at within the platform here. So for the dashboard, it's going to show you how many new users you have, what orders you have on pending, how many sales you have, your star ratings, etc. So just a nice breakdown of how your appointments are kind of working out for you. The great thing about a system like this as well is it allows you to be able to create a booking page that you can link to from your website or embed in your website so that people can come in and actually book appointments right from your website, as well as be able to pay for those services up front or after their appointment. As you can see, you grab this little iframe right here and you can put it anywhere on your website that you want to drive new appointments from. Come into the branding and you can select how you want your web page to look, company details, office hours, etc. Let's say that you have somebody that sits at the front desk of your location and books appointments for your users. In the calendar section, you can come in and see the calendar of any one of your employees and book right through the platform. You can also see it in group calendar view by clicking group calendar and be able to book appointments for any one of your employees right through the platform just by clicking on the time frame that they want to book that for. It's got a bunch of reports you can run as well, including upcoming bookings to see what you have coming up, canceled bookings to see where you might be losing some money, charge now history, and any invoices that have been sent out and paid. It also comes with a basic CRM functionality where you can actually see your customers that you have within your organization. You can see how many appointments they've had, if they've had canceled appointments, and their total spend right through the platform. In the services, you can add or edit your services very quickly and easily. Adding a service, there are a number of different options that you have. You can select out call, in call, virtual call, however you might want to service your clients. And then you can select what team members you're going to have performing those specific services. Once you've done that, you can select if you want people to prepay. And if you click prepay, it's going to actually allow them to input their credit card information before they can book the appointment. They can pay later on site, or you can set up free appointments as well. You can set the duration for that appointment right here, and then what that cost will be, as well as what the service will be called and a description of that service. You can also set up reward and discount programs as well, loyalty programs or new user programs, or you can create discount codes that people can use when they're booking an appointment with you to get a discount on their service. Those are the big parts of this platform that we want to show you today. There's a lot of functionality here and really helps organize your appointments into a much more centralized and easy to view and manage system. This is one of the most important tools on the platform for any business to really have set up for their organization. It's important because it could be one of the top lead generators for your business, for any local business especially, as well as helps drive SEO value for your company on your website. Let's see how it works. To access directory management, just log into your account and go to the directory management tool. In here, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. This is going to be where you're going to see a lot of statistics and analytics about what your business is doing online and how people are finding your location. The first thing you want to do when you set this account up is come to the profile and set up all the information about your specific business. You can see phones, websites, email addresses, hours of operations, business info and descriptions, labels. In the rich data section, you can fill out services, languages, brands, payment options, attributes about your business, and social media profiles. You can also add photos and videos to your profiles across all different directories as well by uploading them here. Once you have your profile completely set, then it will publish out to all the directories online that you want to be on. You can see Google, Facebook, you have your Yelp, Foursquare, Bing, all the big directories, and map navigation systems are in here as well. General publishers, aggregators, and then the big ones like Dexnos, Super Pages, Yellow Pages, and White Pages. This is important because it makes sure that your information is clear and concise on all these different profiles, helps you have robust profiles on each one of these directories, and really helps you gain a lot more leads for your business. Also, it has a neat publish feature. Within the publish feature, you can come and you can create your different posts, you can create news, you can set up offers that you might have for your business, and then you can even set up those offers to have start and end dates. Say you want to have a special that's going for a 3-day weekend that's going up, you can make sure that goes up and comes down automatically. It also has a neat question and answer feature. The question and answer allows you to ask questions about your business and then answer them right through the system here. That also allows you to index keywords for your specific business that are important for you to be able to rank for. Again, one of the most important tools on the platform, just because of the way it helps you manage your business information across all the directories, ensuring that you have quality information online and that people are finding your business and coming to your location. The CRM can be one of the most important and powerful tools in any company's arsenal. It allows you to be able to manage everything from your sales and leads, customers, locations, opportunities that you might have for your business, sales planning, and even cases for clients that may have something they need from you, to your financials, credit notes, estimates, expense reporting, invoices you can send directly to your clients and they can pay online, kit orders, properties, product management, upload all of your item lists, including their SKUs and basic information and imagery. And then once your items are in, you can even manage your supply chain, inventory management, orders, receiving, shipping, all that can be managed right through the platform. You can also set up and manage marketing campaigns like direct campaigns, marketing campaigns, create targets for your business, as well as testimonials. And then you can send direct campaigns right through the platform. It also has functionality that you can actually set up drip campaigns for any leads you might get. Simply connect it to your lead form on your website and then drive leads right into your system and drip market to them over the course of days, weeks, or months. You can even set it up so that it automates reminders for your sales team to do follow-ups and make sure you close those deals. It's also great for organizing just your own personal agenda, your own calendar, making sure that you know what tasks you're supposed to be following up on, connecting your call logs, your work queue, any tasks and follow-ups that you might have, as well as connecting your email and your notes right into the platform here as well. Again, one of the most important tools for many businesses to be able to keep themselves organized and make sure their business is able to scale.